Once upon a time, in a jungle far away, there lived a monkey named Monu and an elephant named Gaju. Monu and Gaju were the best of friends, and their friendship knew no bounds. Monu was quite small, while Gaju was enormous, but their size didn't matter in their friendship. They always played together, and their happiness knew no bounds. One day, a fierce lion arrived in the jungle, and he declared, "From today, this jungle belongs to me, and I shall devour anyone who dares to cross my path." Monu and Gaju were terrified, but they decided that if they worked together, they might stand a chance against the lion. So, they hatched a plan. Monu, with his agility and quick thinking, and Gaju, with his immense strength and wisdom, formed a team. They rallied all the animals in the jungle to join forces against the lion. Together, they confronted the lion, and a fierce battle ensued. The animals fought valiantly, and with Monu and Gaju leading the charge, they managed to defeat the lion. The lion, driven away in fear, never dared to return to the jungle again. Monu and Gaju's friendship, along with the unity of all the animals, had triumphed over adversity. From that day forward, Monu and Gaju were hailed as heroes of the jungle. The story of their friendship and bravery served as an inspiration to all.